friends, my name is Eugenia Sucha. I am studying in nursery. The Bible verse of the day is from Psalm 6 Al-Pawi the Kanakong. Keketinubla ang wagam ni. Ngan kemudian lagi kemat syakilum. Nang no kanvan kacing yarap jonga. Kacing yarap jonga kanvan nau try. Ubala tau yakam neng bajaga kendel. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get more and more videos. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. God bless you.